want to congratulate Miss Kardashian. We have some things in common. Like you, my meditation is on the law. It says, you're not standing in the way of sinners. You're not sitting like a lot of women are in the seat of the scornful, doing scornful things. So listen. The gangster liens of promotional documents aided the facilitation of both criminal bases within the local consumer market and pyramid scheme kickbacks for illicit persons, seared of conscience, spiritual discernment, and intellectual capacitation in the subject of business administration, financial litigation, and all pertinent legal criteria for lawful certificates of authority, such as civil marriage contract agreements, probate civil division, federal claims, court transcripts dating from January the 1st, 2008 until January the 2nd, 2018. The 2008 corporate bailouts were issued during a period of foreign military occupation cultivated by a bonded press and maliciously prosecuting persons, prosecuting myself, an ordained monitor and sustainer, and royal heir of foreign and domestic principalities, municipalities, and commercial powers exceeding the average median earned income. By virtue of strict disciplines, rules, and regulatory adjustments and balances within 20-minute intervals, if unhindered by cultivated and conspired forced labor campaigns broadcast publicly and privately, inconveniences directly contradicting vital record facts, such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, and death certificates. So, we're looking at building this thing called constructive freedom. And I have some problems with your image, your direction, your coordination. I have a portfolio of assets. I'm looking at force majeure clauses, confirmative vital records. And we have some references: the Art of War, the Holy Bible, the Noble Quran, Holy Tablets, and the United States Library of Congress from 1881 until 2021, June the 6th, 2007. Force majeure clauses, confirmative vital records. Force majeure is a French term that literally defines greater force. It is related to the concept of an act of God within the holy scripted translations in reference to an event for which no party can be held accountable within a conflicting issue, controversial and reflective of moral and immoral conducts, coined civil societies or criminal, lawless, anarchical peoples within the path, chart, or stream of hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes, and animation, reflection, and modified biomagnetic fields. Force majeure also incapacitates human actions such as armed conflicts arising upon the grounds of illegal, unlawful sexual intercourses defined by propriety rights, privileges, rules, regulations regarding personal, business, intellectual, and real property disputes. Amounts in controversy reflects the principal cause and level of risk ascertained in properties inherited and the often outstanding inheritance tax. See, the tax is birth. Someone else says in the Investopedia, force majeure as reference to a clause that is included in contracts to remove liability for natural and unavoidable catastrophes that interrupt the expected course, chartered schedule of events present participants from fulfilling their obligations. Federal court, state court, and general sessions, local court questions about what is foreseeable predictable, calculated, ritualistic invocations, intents, and motives in a legal sense have been raised given the increased awareness of pandemics, asteroids, supervolcanoes, cyber threats, and nuclear warfare. French law linguistically as a collective conscious association applies 3 tests for whether a force majeure defense is applicable. The event must be irresistible, unforeseeable, and external. Let's talk here. Let's build. It's not standing that way. They're sinners. Let's go.